Hey there, financial folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to download your Axis Bank statement online in PDF for 2025. Whether you're prepping for taxes, tracking expenses, or just staying organized, having your bank statements at your fingertips is a game changer. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it in under 5 minutes. First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection and your Axis Bank login credentials handy. If you haven't already, you'll need to register for net banking on the Axis Bank website. Got that? Great, let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and head to the official Axis Bank website at www.axisbank.com. Look for the Login button at the top right corner and click on it to access your net banking portal. Step 2. Enter your user ID and password, then complete any security verification, like a CAPTCHA or OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Step 3. Navigate to the Accounts or Services section. Here, look for e-statements or account statements. It might be under a menu like My Accounts. Just hover over it to find the exact option. Step 4. Select the account you want the statement for, then choose the date range. Since we're focusing on 2025, pick the start and end dates within that year. Axis Bank allows you to customize this for monthly, quarterly, or annual statements. Step 5. Hit the Download button and select PDF as your format. The system will generate the statement, and you might need to confirm with another OTP for security. Step 6. Once downloaded, open the PDF to verify everything looks correct. Save it to a secure folder on your device or cloud storage like Google Drive. And there you have it, your Axis Bank statement ready in PDF format. If you run into any issues, like login problems, double-check your details or contact Axis Bank's customer support. Remember, keeping your financial records updated is key to smart money management. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.